Ito pinaka-easy but tricky questions pagdating sa panel interview na palaging tinatanong lalong-lalo na sa mga aplikante na sa tingin nila ay hindi naghanda or sa tingin nila ay hindi nagbasa ng tungkol sa Bureau of Corrections. Simple lang ang tanong na to, napakadaling sagutin pero palagi niyong tatandaan, tricky ang sagot at tricky ang questions na ito. Ito ang tanong. If you will to choose one of the core values of the Bureau of Corrections, what would it be and how will you relate it to the correctional institution? If you are going to choose one of the core values in the Bureau of Corrections, what would it be and how will you going to relate it to the correctional institution? Simple question, napakadaling sagutin, yet tricky answer. It requires tricky answer from the heart and from your mind. Ako si 124, ang inyong certified kupal na palagi ninyong maaasahan. Pag-aralang mabuti, core values ng Bucor.
Bro, kupal tots, masakit pero may saysay. Tinutulungan ko kahit minsan mahirap tanggap.